Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Product Secrets Review. So friends, today I have brought for you one very effective medicine for those who are suffering from pimples, acne vulgaris, pigmentation and so on. So the name of the product is Aziderm Azelaic Acid Cream, and this one is 15% version on. It also has other version like 10%, after that 15% and then 20%. So this video is going to be very much helpful for you, so please do watch the video till the end without skipping so that you can know the right information from this product. So this cream is very special for those with having lots of pimples on their face, for example like me. And you know what happens after having lots of pimples or acne is that even after the pimple goes away completely from the face, they actually leave lots of signs like dark pimple marks or dark spots, or even causes pigmentation, and finally you will have lots of tension because before it has pimples and now it became pimple marks. So that's the reason you will face depression and tension. So guys, this is a completely safe product where you can apply on your pimple marks, and this is a completely medicated product. It's not any cosmetic product. So if you want to know how to use this product, are there any side effects if you apply this product, how you can get the results from it, and how does this product works. So to know all the informations mentioned above, then please listen to the video carefully without skipping. So now without any further ado, let's get started with our review. So friends, first of all, I will talk about its concentration. It has 3 such concentration. One comes in 10%, second one is 15%, and third one is 20% concentration. So if you are a beginner, you should start with 10% concentration, or if you have not yet got your complete desired result, then you can go with 15% concentration. And otherwise, if you have already got your desired result with 10%, then there is no need to go with the other concentration. Okay. And also do not do this mistake that if you wanted to fastly treat your marks, so you immediately got 20% one. So please do not do that, otherwise it might damage your skin more and more. Especially if you are a beginner, first you should go with 10%, then 15%, and then 20% in case if you didn't find your desired result. So guys, I have told you how to take it and when to take it. So guys, now we will talk about what are its ingredients. So in this cream, they have given azelaic acid. So now you might be thinking that this cream contains acid, which is not fair for our skin, right? So if you hear the name acid, you might be thinking that this is such a chemical product. But guys, this is not the true answer, okay? Now let me explain you what is this azelaic acid. So this azelaic acid is similar to that of lactic acid and glycolic acid. So these are acids that can be safely used on our skin because it's a natural acid that comes from naturally occurring acid found in grains, for example like barley, wheat and rye. I hope you can see the given picture in the package right over here. So guys, this has the acid name, but it's a completely natural acid. So please note to that. So you don't need to worry anything about this product or this acid. And along with that, I would like to tell you that this azelaic acid exfoliates your skin because they remove the upper layer, dead skin cells of the skin, and finally brings out fresh and baby looking skin. So that is how it works. So guys, if you have pimples, after pimples, pimple marks or pigmentation, melasma, and if you have sunburns, dark spots or allergic skin pox marks like black or brown, so for all those symptoms, you can definitely use this cream. So friends, next we are going to talk about how you should use this cream. So it is very important to know that before using any medicated cream, you should know how to use it in the right way. So first of all, you should nicely wash your face cleanly, and then after that you should make sure your face is completely dry because it is very important to dry your skin before applying this cream. And then if you are a beginner, then you should remember this, that if you are a beginner, you apply this cream only at night before going to sleep for at least 1 week. Then if you finish applying this cream for 1 week only at night, and if you find no any problems with it, then next what you should do is you can start applying this cream both morning and night twice a day. So after that, you can continue to apply this cream for 2 to 4 months, that is twice a day. That's for only one concentration, that is 10%. So you have to finish this for 3 to 4 months, only 10% concentration. And then after 4 months, if you found that you have not seen the effective results, like at least 50% results, and other 50% you have not got it, then in that case, after using for 4 months, you can start changing the concentration, like from 10% you can jump to 15% concentration. Then after applying for again 3 to 4 weeks or 3 to 4 months, by that time you will definitely get to see your 100% results from Aziderm cream. So that's how slowly you will get the perfect result from it, and your skin will start looking very fresh, baby looking skin, and it will start glowing. But friends, you will also have to keep in mind some things, that whenever you take any medicine or whenever you exfoliate your skin, when you are removing dead skin cells, then definitely you must not forget to apply a sunscreen, minimum which has 40% SPF to 50% SPF, okay? And the second important thing you should remember is that you should not expose to the sun for long hours of time, especially when you are using any treatment. You must please keep away from sun exposure, otherwise you know what would happen. Your skin will get darkened up because you are using medicines, you are getting treatment. Especially during summer or monsoon seasons, your skin easily gets damaged during this time. So please avoid direct sunlight on your face. Try to cover up your head and face with scarves and all, or you can also put on sunglasses, okay? So that's the only solution you can have to keep away from sun exposure. So friends, if you are interested in this product, then it is easily available on online websites. I will provide the purchase links in the description box, so please do check it out. So this tube cream contains 15-gram quantity. It is a quite small tube. You will find actually its MRP price given here is 260 rupees. Its shelf life is for around 2 years, so you can easily finish this before time. And the best part of this product is that this is a made in India product by Micro Labs Limited. So overall speaking, this medicine is completely safe product. It don't have any steroids in it. That means this is not a steroid cream, and whenever you use or after using this product, you will not see any side effects from it, like your skin will not turn darker or produce dark spots or give you any pigmentation problems. So it is not a steroid concentration cream and won't give you any side effects. What you have to do is you have to only just take care of your skin, and that's it. You should not get exposed to the sun, and whenever you apply this cream, you should have clean hands and clean face. So guys, now let's also talk about its common side effects. Like, if we talk about its side effect, is that, as you already know, it is a naturally made ingredient, azelaic acid, so there is no need to worry even though if you face any side effects. It depends according to the skin type. In case if your skin is sensitive, then you might face pungentness on your face, and sometimes redness also occurs. It has happened to me already when I used it for the first time, because I have used it. It has already happened to me when I used it for the first time because I used it in the wrong way. But the burning sensation or pungentness generally goes away or cool down by itself after 3 to 4 minutes, and later it becomes normal as usual. So first of all, if you are a first time user with oversensitive skin, then first you must perform a patch test over your neck area. If it doesn't show any side effects, then that means it suits for you. Otherwise, in case if you have swelling or burning sensation or itchiness, then please stop using this cream immediately because it doesn't suit for your skin. Otherwise, for other normal skin people, there is no any side effects seen, and it is so rare to be seen, and it is so rare to see side effects on normal people. So guys, after all, it depends on which skin type you have. So guys, after all, it depends on which type of skin condition you have. So friends, that's it all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and also found this video helpful and informative. If so, then please do not forget to give this video a like. Also share with your family and friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I come up with a lot of review videos like this in this channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.